Greetings, and peace be unto you all. I greet you in truth, balance, and wholeness. Let us arise in power. I wasn't going to make a video today, but Spirit wouldn't let me pass up this opportunity at this moment in the construct we call time to share an inspirational thought with you. Yesterday was Earth Day. It was the 50th year that Earth Day has been observed. Earth Day is an annual event celebrated all around the world on April 22nd to voice and to demonstrate support for protecting this environment. It was first celebrated in 1970. In my humble opinion, Earth Day should be every day, especially from an African or a Pan-African or African of the diaspora, if you will, centered view. We ought to respect, honor, and protect the earth daily. Not only must we respect nature, but we must realize that we cannot survive without it. Nature is much bigger than all of us. Nature exists for us, but nature does not need us to exist. Nature cares for us, and that is why in return we must take care of all that is contained within nature, so that nature will continue to provide for us and take care of us. Nature is both the living and the non-living. It's the visible and the invisible. It is the physical and the non-physical. It's the macro and the micro. Just like we depended on our mothers for 9 months in her womb, protected and provided nutrients until we were birthed out of the canal and able to provide for ourselves, we now reside in the womb of Mother Earth. Animals, plants, rocks, minerals, the soil, trees, the rivers, the oceans, hills, mountains, the air we breathe, the water we consume, all a part of nature. And nature is a part of us. Outside of nature, we cannot exist. The ancestors understood this, the importance of nature. All throughout the different forms of African spirituality or ancient African science, which many would term it to be religion, they gave honor and respect to nature. They recognized the power of nature. We must recognize the power of nature. We must recognize the power and the source of our being. Food, shelter, clothing, medicine, art, music, creativity, air, land, and the seas. All of this from nature. Our livability greatly depends on the viability of nature. So, beloved, keep your center. You embody the elements of the divine forces of the universe. Therefore, you are a force of divine qualities and attributes, wholeness and totality of existence as we know it. So create your universe or your universe daily. Remember, life doesn't happen to us, but life happens through us. Until next time, peace and bright moments.